Installation of the Apache harness. While facing the Apache harness, locate the waist strap. It's usually the adjustment strap, the two buckles. Thread them through your turnout pant loops on your waist. Some turnouts may have Velcro closures instead of just a loop. Depending on your loops, you want the A-frame, which is the yellow A-frame, right up against the loops. Keep threading through all the loops on the turnout pants. Once through all the loops, thread the adjustment strap through the adjustment buckle. Feed the adjustment strap through the loops if you have to. Snug up as much as you can. Center up the A-frame to the turnout pants. Then snug up tightly the waist adjustment strap. One of the unique features is the leg adjustment buckles on the rear of the belt. You can adjust it to where you like for comfort and also for sizing. Pull the A-frame all the way up. As you can see here, the A-frame moves up and down. Release one of the leg straps. Keep in mind where the elastic is. Take the end of the leg strap, place it between your legs and through the O-ring. Tend to snug it up here. Take the end of the leg strap and pass it through the adjustment buckle on the rear of the waist belt. Shown here, pass it through the first bar, then under the second bar, and back through again. Sometimes this strap is longer, maybe about a foot longer. That's when you'll use that elastic that is on the leg strap. Repeat on the other side. Take the long adjustment strap and pass it through the elastic. Note, depending on the size you are, the elastic may be moved farther forward or backwards on the waist belt. You can also use the loops that are on the turnout pants. The elastic here on the leg strap is used for longer adjustment straps. Here is shown deploying and how to release when the harness is deployed. This is how you open it up and how you get out of your harness while it's on the turnout pant. Once pulling up your turnout pants, close your turnouts like normal. You still may use your suspenders. If you don't collapse your main buckle, you have a hasty seat. But to have an NFPA Class 2 harness, you must collapse the front buckle. Pull down the side O-rings to loosen the harness. HG5 on the Apache harness. The HG5 is a pre-connected, standalone bailout system. By pulling the lid, you have your escape anchor in hand. PB5 used on the Apache harness. PB5 is a pouch that is installed in your turnout pants pocket. Can be installed left or the right side depending on the user. Attach the connection to the O-ring. With the pull strap is on the outside of the bag. By pulling on the strap, you will deploy the escape anchor. Shown here with the talon and the core.
Deploying the ladder hook on the Apache harness. The ladder hook can be placed on the left or right side, here shown on the left. To reinstall it, pull down on the side rings. This will collapse the A-frame and reattach with the side strap. How to install the ladder hook onto the Apache harness. Locate the loop at the top of the A-frame. Slide the ladder hook through that loop, then take the keeper pin and slide it through your ladder hook. You may need to hammer or install with an Allen wrench. Then attach the keeper strap to the ladder hook. For more information, go to fireinnovations.com.